Hello everyone, welcome to Study Nation. My name is Dinesh Singh and everyone, with this series of Learn the Concept with PYQ, I am starting with a new question जो कि आजकल ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन काफी आने लगे हैं। ये NDA 1 2024 का है, सेट ए का क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है और बेस्ड ऑन द परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन। सो बेसिकली इट्स अ काउंटिंग क्वेश्चन। अगर मैं कहूं इसे परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन तो नॉट परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन लेकिन काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल पे। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन देखते हैं एवरीवन। और इफ यू आर नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब इट, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट। अगर आपको कंसेप्ट समझ में आता है तो प्लीज डू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स। चलिए जी, क्वेश्चन क्या लिखा हुआ है। So suppose if 26 factorial is equal to n into 8 raised to power k, where k and n are positive integer, then what is the maximum value of k? तो जनरली आपसे बोलता है कभी भी, so now the concept is what? अगर कोई आपसे बोलता है what is the concept in this question? So concept is what? Highest power of any, आप किसी भी एनी प्राइम नंबर इन एन फैक्टोरियल। तो एनी प्राइम नंबर का मतलब है, मान लीजिए p है। अगर कोई आपसे बोलता है व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ p इन एन फैक्टोरियल, एक एग्जांपल से लेता हूं। सो सपोज समबडी आस्क यू, अगर 20 फैक्टोरियल है, सो व्हेन यू विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ 2 अवेलेबल इन दिस वन। So the formula, suppose we will say k is the highest power. So what we will write down? It's a p by n by p. First you will write down n by p and this is a greatest integer function. फिर आप लिखेंगे n by p square. फिर आप लिखेंगे n by p cube और इसी तरीके से आप करते रहेंगे। Clear? What is the meaning of that? n is a number, p is a प्राइम नंबर। ओके, आप केवल प्राइम नंबर की पावर निकाल सकते हैं, उसके बाद आप कुछ भी निकाल सकते हैं। यू कैन कैलकुलेट एनीथिंग, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द पावर ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर ओनली। ओके, सो लेट्स सी, सपोज इफ समबडी आस्क यू व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ 2, सो वी विल से 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। बस आपको पहला निकालना है, जस्ट ट्राई द फर्स्ट वन, उसके बाद हम सारे एक साथ ही निकालेंगे। सो 20 डिवाइड बाय 2, 10 इज अ इंटीजर, divide this by 2 again. So what is the meaning of p square? Divide this by. So I am not going in detail how did the concept generated. वही बहुत easy है, because 20 factorial में 2 के multiple कितने आएंगे? There would be 10 multiple. Now next one is what? 2 square means 4 के multiple कितनी बार आएंगे? So what you will write down? Again divide this by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Again divide by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Forget about the fractional part. Again divide by 2, so this would be what? 18. Clear? Now I will tell you how did it. So suppose we will say 2 4 6 8 10 20, so these are the 10 power of 2. Done. Now what about the 4? We will say 4 8 12 16 20, these are the 5 power, okay, of 2. Why? Because you have calculated only 1 2. So where 2 raised to power 2 is there, you have not calculated. What about multiple of 8? 8 and 16. So there 2 raised to power 2. Okay, because 1 2 is already there. 1 2 is already there. Now 8 has 3 2s. So third time. What about 2 raised to power 4? Because 1 16. 16 has 4 2. 1 is counted here. Second counted here. Third counted here. Fourth. If you add 10, 5, 2, 1, you are getting 18. Clear? So if somebody asks you what is the 3 power, highest power of 3, so divide by 3. So 20 divided by 3 is what? 6 point something. Take 6 only. Again divide by 3. So 6 plus 2, it would be 8 only. Clear? So now, I hope this is clear everyone. So what I am saying, suppose if somebody asks you 100 factorial, what is the highest power of 5? So if somebody asks you highest power of 5, divide 100 by 5. What you are getting? 20. Again divide by 5. So what is the prime number? Divide by that. It's a 4. It's a 24. Clear? And if somebody asks you what is the number of ending 0 or trailing 0 in n factorial, this is the answer. Okay. So means number of highest power of 5 in n factorial is number of ending 0. Why? Because suppose there are 10 zeros. So 10 0 means 10 raised to power 10. So 2 raised to power 10 into 5 raised to power 10. And remember, whenever we are talking about the n factorial, 2 would be always more number of time than the 5, because 2 is coming after 2 number, 5 is coming after 5 number. So always calculate the power of 5, you will get the answer. Okay. So similarly, if somebody asks you what is the power of 3, so you will say 100 divided by 3. So first is 33, divide again by 3. Okay, so we will say 11, divide by 3, 3, then we will say 1. This is your answer. Clear? So let's see now, coming to the question, everyone. So this is the concept I have told you. Now coming to the question. What was the question? 26 factorial 8 raised to power k. So what is the 8? 8 is a 2 raised to power 3. Okay. So if somebody asks you what is a 8? So we say 8 is not a prime number, but 8 is a what? Can I write down? So always write down in the prime number. So now can we calculate how many 2's are there? So 26 divided by 2. So first would be 13. Again divide by 2. 6. Again divide by 2. 3 plus 1. So if you see, this one would be what? 9. It is what? 22. So here if we say it contains 2 raised to power 22, but we need 2 raised to power 3. So how many multiple of 3 can be there? So 3. So we are saying in 22, how many times 3 will become? Divide 22 by 3. So 7. So we will say this is what? Into 2 raised to power 1. So this is nothing but your 8. Clear? So means if you know the highest power of a prime number, you can calculate the power of any number. Suppose it is written as 8. Now if somebody asks you what is the highest power of, let's see, if somebody asks you what is the highest power of 6. So what I will calculate? In 26, 6 means what? 2 and 3. I have calculated 2, just calculate 3. So 26 by 3, it would be 8. Then divide by 3, 2. So we will say there would be 10. Now 10. So we will say 3 is 10 times, 2 is 22 times. So how many 6 we can make? For making a 6, you need 1, 2 and 1, 3. So we can make maximum 10, because we are saying 6, 3 is coming 10 times, but 2 is coming 22 times. For 1, 6, you need a 1, 3, 1, 2. So definitely we can make maximum 6. How many 6 we can make? 10. Clear? So in this question, what is your answer? 7 would be your answer. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, so B, Bombay is the correct answer. So this is all about this concept, everyone. So please do like this video, share with your friends, and this is my Telegram ID. If you want to ask any query regarding the mathematics 11, 12, CUET, NDA, you can speak to me on this ID, and this is our Telegram group QR code. So please do join our Telegram group as well as the WhatsApp group. So thank you very much, everyone. Bye. Take care. See you in the next class.